I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
And Assalamualaikum. We are from group 2 of the topic climate change. We have 3 panel on this group. Hi, I am panel 1. My name is Nabila Shahira Binti Ahmadi. My metric number J230578. For a start, I would like to begin by definition of climate change. Basic of definition climate is refers to permanent elements of atmospheric conditions in a particular area. Now, we are going to definition climate change. Climate change is the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature and the large-scale changes in global, regional, and local weather patterns that result from that increase caused by significant increase in the levels of greenhouse gases that are produced by the use of fossil fuels. Climate change have 3 types of climate. First is hot climate, second temperate climate, third is cool climate. The climate is the result of a series of elements that exchange their qualities ruled by the sun's power. The different types of climate affect the flora and fauna of a place. Okay, now we are going one by one of the types of the climate. First, hot climate. Hot climate is the subgroups of this climate zone have one thing in common: the sun. For the example, I would to give 3 places. First, equatorial. The first of the types of climate on our list is also known as a rainforest climate, marked by high temperature that usually rise above 27 degrees on average, with Central Africa and the Amazon rainforest being the 2 most recognized places. Here, you find the Metis rivers, the Congo River, and the Amazon. Second, tropical. Manila and Jakarta are cities with the tropical climate. These are all located in areas up to 23 degrees north and south latitude. These are humid areas where temperature don't usually fall below 0 degrees. For 3, my example of the places is subtropical. This is one of the type of climate situated between 20 and 35 degrees latitude and usually marked by moderate temperature when compared with other hot climate subgroups. Los Angeles and Lima are some of the most widely recognized locations with a subtropical climate. The average yearly temperature doesn't dip below 80 degrees. Okay, now we go to the second climate is the temperature climate. Temperature climates are characterized by average yearly temperature of about 80 degrees and average precipitation doesn't rise above 200 millimeter per year. Some traits of this climate zone are quite similar to those of subtropical regions. For the first example of temperature climates is Mediterranean. The Mediterranean climate gets its name from the Mediterranean Sea, since this is the area that in it encompasses. Although it is also located in some other parts of the world like Cape Town. Moderate rain that only reach only reaches more than 10,000 millimeters yearly. Second, second place is China's. In in city like Shanghai and Hong Kong, there are this is a Chinese climate. The winters are warm and dry, depending on the location relative to the coast. Winters can be harsh and freezing temperature are reached along with abundant snow. It continually rains even during dry periods, and there can be monsoons. Third place is oceanic. These six, the, these six of the type of climate on our list it always close to the ocean, resulting in higher temperature and abundant precipitation. The yearly temperature shift is minimal with cool winter and mild summers, but very little change between on one and the other. The average temperature doesn't rise above 22 dangerous. For the last place is continental. The most characteristic trait of the seven of the type of climate on our list is extreme temperature changes between winter and summer. In the winter, the ground freezes and temperature drop radically, and summer tend to be hot as well. On the other hand, precip- precipitation in a continental climate is infrequent. Okay, this is the types. Last type of climate is the cool climates. Cool climates are one of the type of climates on our list that affect area where man hasn't settled and plant and animal life barely survive. The most extreme subcategory is the polar climate, which is incompatible with any life form beyond curtain, lichens, and moss. First, for example of types cool climates is polar. A polar climate is cool climate whose temperature almost always below 0 degrees. Polar climate regions don't experience four seasons, just two. An extraordinarily instance and prolonged winter, and a short summer where temperatures rarely rise above zero. Okay, second example is highland. Precipitation is conspicuous by its absence, and temperature change very little between seasons. In the case of highland climate, altitude plays a huge role. Now we come to the climate change. Climate change is the long term Alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Climate change could refer to particular location or the planet as a whole. Climate change may cause weather patterns to be less predictable. Climate change has also been connected with other damaging weather events such as more frequent and more intense hurricanes, floods, downpours, and winter storms. Uh, I give the explanation for panel 2.
Hi, I'm member number 2. My name is Nur Anisha. My metric number is J23A0654. So, Nabila and Shazila, you may not know if we are not aware about climate change, we will face so many effects to our ecosystem, forest, water resource, marine and ocean resource. So, ecosystem are communities of living things, including plants, animal, and microorganisms that interact with each other and the physical world. So, climate impact on ecosystem is change in species and population. Some species will adapt with temperature by changing their behavior, their their body's function, but there are some species unable to adapt to the climate. So, climate change could lead to expansion, reduction, and extinction of some population. So, number 2, change in the timing of natural event and cycle. Next, change in ecosystem interaction. That means in Europe we have 4 seasons, so we need to face each each different interaction of 4 seasons. And then okay. Next, climate impact on forests. First, natural disturbance. 2, reduce carbon storage. 3, impact on water resource. Next, climate climate impact on fresh water resource. First is reduce water supply, impaired water ability, and stress on water infrastructure. Lastly, climate impact on ocean and marine resource. First, change in ocean ecosystem. 2, more common and serve extreme marine events. Third, impact on marine fishes. So, action for healthy planet to some ways or action to avoid this effect. Not avoid, but to less the effect to our ecosystem and for healthy planet. So first, save energy at home by choosing products with more star level at washing machine or refrigerator. So to change our home source of energy. So mostly home energy come from oil, coal and gas. If possible, we can switch to renewable source such as solar system, solar and wind. Okay. Third, walk, buy or take public transport. So we can lower the climate change. And then switch to an electric. Huh? For apply 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle. And then eat more vegetable. Throw away less food. Plant native species of plant and clean up your environment. And lastly is speak up about this climate change to our society. And then Shazila Arika.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazila Arika binti Muzairi. I'm pen on 3. Matric number is J2380731. Solution to climate change is transition to renewable change. Energy transition is the move by the global energy section away from fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, and oil toward renewable energy such as wind and solar energy. The energy transition requires long-term strategy from the global energy section to recruit cleaner, sustainable opinions via an energy mix that will reduce carbon emissions as well as strategy from decarbonization. In many instances, where power has become cheap, that traditional high carbon energy success will energy efficiency and energy stronger improvement are also a stronger driver for the transition away from fossil fuel. This transition toward a mixed renewable energy supplier also include the development for electrification such as with electric vehicles. Um, Addressing climate change require a multifaceted approach and their solution should be implemented collectivity to achieve meaningful and last result. Individual action, corporate responsibility, and government policy all play crucial roles in creating a more sustainable and resilient future. And the last for why we need to take action on climate change and safe environment is safeguarding human healthy. Climate change can have direct and indirect impact on human healthy. Extreme weather event, changing the disease parent, and air and water pollution can affect the well-being of communities. Taking action to mitigate climate change and protect the environment is crucial for safeguarding public healthy and preventing the diseases. In order to mitigate the heat and other impact to climate change, it is important for government, healthy organizations, and other stakeholders to work together to be resilient in communities and impact effective adaptation measures. This can include improved action to healthcare service, building more resilient infrastructure, and investing in climate smart agriculture, as well as reducing greenhouse gas emission and transition to clear renewable energy success. And this is from for us. Thank you.